Hey, welcome back to another Pancho Things. So, Commodore's for hunt is happening today. So we are driving right now, trying to get to the spot. So we got a couple hours drive, but one more is back there. Commodore. There he is. Hi, big guy. So Commodore is there, it's ready, we got everything. The car looks like a bomb went off inside of the car. There's so much stuff everywhere. But we're gonna make it happen. Let's get started. So as I was saying, we're driving. I don't know how much you guys are gonna be able to see, but so we are driving to the area where we're gonna be hunting today. So yeah, it's about 3 hours drive. So Commodore? No. So we have we got water, we got some of his food, I got his blind, vest, everything. We are ready. So let's go and get some ducks. Commodore, come on. Commodore, here. Commodore, dead bird. Commodore, dead bird. Come on, pitch it up. No, Commodore, dead bird. Dead bird. Hey, Commodore, stop. Dead bird. Commodore, dead bird, dead bird. Pitch it up. Commodore, here. Dead bird, dead bird, dead bird. Pitch it up. Pitch it up. Dead bird. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pitch it up. Pitch it up. Come on. Dipper. Good boy. Come on. My bird. Come on. Come here. Pitch it up. That bird. Let's go. Good boy. Come on, pitch it up. Pitch it up. Come on. No, pick it up.
come on. All right. Got it, please. Please. Good boy. Stay. 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 Stay, big boy. Stay. 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 Stay, big boy. Stay. We're almost done here. It's all right. It's all right. Stay. That's the spread. That's the blind. Small blind, my blind. Alright, I think it's time to go home. Commodore is getting cold and there's nothing flying around. So here we are. Another hunting season. But this time I do not want to fall in here and drop my camera. Alright, so there we have it. Commodore's first hunt. Unfortunately, only one bird came and took a look. There was a couple more, but the shots were way too far. So I didn't want to have the shots ringing and him not being able to work him. So, but yeah, he got cold. Even though he had his vest, he got cold. So he was wet. Now, problem was that as soon as he got out of the car, he saw all the land and everything, and he was just running back and forward, jumping in pools and chasing coots and whatnot. So by the time that the hunt actually started happening, this guy is soaking wet and he's somewhat tired. So, but he's a pup, and that was part of it. He needs to have fun and run and burn energy. So now, this video was extremely hard to edit. For some reason, or either my hard drive or either my memory card that I use in the GoPro got corrupted. And it was giving me all kinds of issues with the computer, and it was insane for me to edit this. I lost a lot of footage. So I did the best I could to have this video ready, but unfortunately, technology has been crazy. I don't know what's going on with this year, but everything has been a rush. Everything has been quite all over the place, and we got new gear that we're trying now. We got all this stuff going on, and it all just hit me all at once, and everything is kind of all over the place. But we'll get it together, people. We'll get it together. So, but there you have it. I'm extremely proud. He didn't go full on retrieve, and I know, but that's to be expected. It's to be expected that I will have a couple of days. I'm gonna have to show him the ropes, just exactly the same what happened when we did the gun introduction. It took repetition for it to sink in. We used that green winged-teal that we harvest that day for training here at home. So now he's grabbing it. At the beginning he was hesitant, and I don't know if it was the size, I don't know if it was the scent that he was having issues with. He has worked with Dove, but Dove don't have that much scent. So I don't know what the issue was there, but the fact is that the first few times that I threw it here, the reaction was exactly the same as what happened in the water. He was kind of hesitant to touch him, and when he grabbed him, he kind of like was like, "Is this gone? What's happening?" But after the third or fourth throw, he started with delivery to hand, so that's good. Unfortunately, I'm closing and I'm loading and doing all of this on it's a Saturday morning. As I said, people, it's been crazy. Everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. So I'm working with like my luck only, and that's not that great. So I'm loading this right now. I'm gonna logically add this footage to it, and I'm gonna put the video out there so you guys can see it. But we're going hunting tonight again. So gotta go to work, and on the way back, I come back, wrapped everything, packed Momo, and we head out. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be bringing all these videos out, and just keep an eye on them, okay? Thank you so much for watching. So keep an eye on it. Don't give up. Thumbs up worthy. Commodore did his first retrieve, so he's officially now a hunting dog. So even though that I did most of the retrieve, but yeah, we are moving forward. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so very much for everybody that has subscribed. If you haven't done so yet, like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified that I upload a new video, and I will see you really soon. Pancho.